Hi, and welcome to the IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use Contrast Maximization Toolbox in IDQ Pro. This toolbox finds the channel or wavelengths for the best contrast between two selected regions of interest. It can also find the best contrast and the corresponding bandwidths between two selected regions of interest. It can identify whether there is a difference between two regions of interest and quantify the difference using the Bhattacharya distance, dB. Higher dB corresponds to better contrast between two regions of interest. It can also identify new indexes. To start, you'll want to first make sure that it is on single channel, because this toolbox works best on single channel. You'll want to load an image, and then you go to Toolbox, Contrast Maximization. Once loaded, you'll be able to select a mathematics option right here. We'll choose subtraction. You'll then be able to select which tool or shaping tool you'd like to choose. We'll leave it on the ellipse, which band shape, and then from two different methods, the exhaustive search without the bandwidths and the Monte Carlo search with the bandwidths. We'll select the first one. You'll be able to use the ellipse, and then it'll generate the information. Using subtraction from 1624 and subtract 1414, you will then be able to see this image. So what we can do is X out of that and go to image algebra. You'll choose subtraction. 1624 already there, 1400, or you can use even 1414 and get the image. And as you can see, there is a large amount of contrast between each of these leaves to indicate that there is a difference between the two leaves. In this particular example, one of the leaves is dry and one of the leaves was just pulled off of the plant. If you wanted to use the Monte Carlo method, you will go and navigate back to the contrast maximization, select your mathematics, your selection tool, and band shape, and you'll pick the Monte Carlo method. You'll be then prompted to enter the minimum and maximum bandwidths, as well as the number of samples. The number of samples depends on the size of the image. A higher number will make the calculation slower. The results are displayed as a new image and the contrast map. The title of the image gives the wavelengths. Note the title of the image gives the specific max contrast values. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.